Hello and welcome to a new episode of Trains App, and today we're at Beeston on the Midland Mainline, where you'll be seeing services from cross country and East Midlands Railway. It's a cute, quaint little station this, mind you, incredibly windy at the moment, so in between trains coming through, I'm going to be sort of standing behind this lot to try and keep myself as warm as I possibly can. There would have been a freight train, it would have been the regular oil train that comes through, but that hasn't been activated, and it would have left at 10:30 this morning to come through in just about 20 minutes time through here, but that hasn't shown up, so it's just wall-to-wall passenger traffic for the duration of my stay. But to start things off is going to be the 1309 East Midlands Railway service from Matlock to Nottingham, worked by one of their turbo stars. A very gentle approach. Worked by 170 204. Lovely. So, with that all being said and done, let's see what else shall turn up. Okay, they're about ready to depart now. It's going to be the late running 1309 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Then we've got, hold on, I'm going to have to do a U-turn here. The 1313 cross-country service from Nottingham to Cardiff Central via Birmingham New Street. 170 117 coming in at a fair rate of knots. I do love the fact you've got a 2-car turbo star on a very, very long distance and very, very busy route. Okay then, starting now is going to be the 1313 cross-country service to Cardiff Central. The problem with this station, it's incredibly small, so trying not to film people is going to be incredibly difficult. Okay, to to appear behind the vast group of passengers is going to be a cross-country turbo star going from Birmingham to Nottingham. (170 109). Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1318 East Midlands Railway service from Nottingham to London St Pancras, but by 222014. Very well weathered, and an awful lot of people waiting to board this service. Okay, then get ready to depart now. It's going to be 222014 with a 1318 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras. Okay, as the heavens open, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1323 East Midlands Railway service from Newark Castle to Crewe, but by 170 511. Plenty of people already on board. Okay, departure now is 175.11 with the 1323 East Midlands Railway service to Crewe. Okay, the next train to make an appearance in behind another little miniature crowd, try again, put your teeth back in, well done, good man, is the 1324 East Midlands Railway service from Leicester to Lincoln Central, worked by a 2-car turbo. I'm curious to see how busy this is. A very gentle approach, worked by 170.502. Cool, that is blustery out here. Okay, well the heavens have really well and truly opened here, in the middle of a hailstorm of all things, as we have an EMR 810 Aurora slowly working its way through, doing a circular route from Edges Park to St Pancras International. It's 810.006. Okay, the next train to come through with intermittent windscreen wipers is 170.422 with the East Midlands Railway service from Grimsby Town to Leicester. Okay, 170.422 is now departing with the 1335 East Midlands Railway service to Leicester. And the weather has turned completely British. Okay, the next train to make an appearance is going to be the 1344 East Midlands Railway service from London St Pancras to Nottingham. I must admit, telling people that you've got a trolley service available when the journey from here to Nottingham is literally all of a gnat's whisker, pretty pointless. And it is 222.104 with windscreen wipers that really don't want to work in one direction. Or even work at all. Okay then, 222.104 is about ready to depart with the 1344 East Midlands Railway service to Nottingham. Okay, coming in now, where are we? Knocking on the door of 3 minutes late is the 1348 East Midlands Railway service to Newark Castle. Motored by 170.501. Oh, and we're doing an about turn. Sees the return of 810.006. But that's all 2 time for the driver as well, thank you very much. Oh, I just realised it's the We've got a Pride livery, or Pride vinyls, on this 170. So there we go. Autofocus finally deciding it wants to actually play ball. Okay, now departing 4 minutes late is the 1348 East Midlands Railway service to Newark Castle. Okay then, the next train to pass through is going to be an East Midlands Railway Meridian running from Nottingham to London St Pancras. 222011. And I'll keep it rolling as we have incoming a, I want to say, cross-country turbo star. And it is 170-108. Water pouring off the thing. Going to Martin now is 171.08 with the late running 13.55 cross-country service to Nottingham. And as she continues onwards, I shall leave it there. Thank you all very much for watching, it is greatly appreciated. If you have enjoyed me since today, then please do like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment, I do get back to them as and when I get the opportunity to. About just under an hour here. I think that's realistically all you need, just to get a little bit of everything coming through. The weather was, and still is, just awful. It's just, the weather this morning was telling me that it was supposed to be sunny and clear, and then it turned into a hailstorm, rain, wind, cloud, and just been yuck. Genuinely all-round yuck. That's, my next station is Attenborough. It's just down, or Attleborough, or wherever, whichever one it is. It's literally all of 2 minutes just down the line. So it'll be interesting to see how the station lends itself to various views, and whether or not there's actually any shelter to be found there from the adverse elements. Time will tell. But until next time, from me here at Beeston, I shall see you all later. Take care, guys. Goodbye.